Hi, my name is Jimmy from AET.com, Display Limited from China. What I'm showing here is our latest COB 55-inch cabinet. So just imagine that to set up a 110-inch, if you are using the normal 600 by 337 cabinet, which is 90% of the market is using it, you will probably require 16 cabinets. But for us, we are using the 55-inch cabinets to form a 110-inch video wall. So what you really need is 2 by 2 formations. That means 4 cabinets. So in that sense, you are reducing the installation time and installation structure, less cable. So just imagine your workers go out installing one screen using 600 by 337 a day. Now, if using our 55-inch, they probably can complete 2 screens a day. That will saving you a lot of operating costs. Thank you very much. And if you want to have more information, please go to our website www.aetled.com.